Hey, it's Shelly.
And the Hairy Man. We're all set to go to Knoebels.
It's a food stop and we are getting ready to go.
Our first stop was the Cookie Nook, and we had a chance to enjoy some coffee drinks. Did you even know they had macchiatos?
I do now. Yeah, you had the caramel, I had the white chocolate, and they gave me a couple of pumps of the raspberry sauce. It was so good.
You're probably going to get a lot of caramel at first, but if you give it a good
That's
stir,
good,
that'll help
yeah.
out all the flavors
You can never have
together.
too much caramel.
We even saw how they make the potato pancakes at Knoebels. They're delicious.
And of course, it's lunchtime. The Phoenix Junction was serving up some garlic butter bacon burgers.
Also, we had the great white fish sandwich, which was really good.
Yet again, Phoenix is top of the list, #1 roller coaster in the world, brought here in 1985, and we say the Phoenix gets better with age.
We even got to go to the Stony Gables and find out what a Wurzel is.
That was so refreshing.
That was so much fun. Come on down, bring the family to Knoebels. It's great.